Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I will be making chicken pakora for my kids. Please do like, comment and of course subscribe for more contents on the way. Our special judge really liked this, so thank you. Firstly, I have cut the chicken breast into small pieces. Add half a teaspoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon ginger and some salt like salt. Squeeze half of lemon juice to the chicken. Especially for children, instead of green chili, you can add black pepper. Black pepper will give you the spice, however not too much, perfect for the children. Now 1 teaspoon of chili powder, one teaspoon of coriander-jheera powder, mix well. 2 tablespoons of besan, or instead you can use gram flour or chickpea flour. It will work the same way. That's 1 tablespoon of rice flour. If you feel the mixture is a bit drying, do not hesitate to add little bit of boiled water. Finally, you will know when it is ready to marinate, when the consistency is of a dropping consistency, not too runny, not too dry, but just like this. Now I am leaving it to marinate for 20 to 25 minutes. After marinating, add vegetable oil until it fills up to about 1/3 of the pan. All that's left to do is make small balls of the chicken pakora and put it to fry. Keep flipping it so all sides can cook properly. When it's a golden brown color, transfer chicken pakora onto your plate. Ready to be served. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe.